Nice. Can we push start it?
No.
Why? So what do we do to this thing, Taylor?
I think we burn it.
Burn it? Why?
I don't know.
Just
I feel like burning a car. We bought it first.
For how much?
Way too much.
Way too much.
Seven and a half grand.
Put some air ride on it.
We put some air ride on it, and we got some torpedoes in the back.
Remember that one time the shit locked when I was trying to do it?
I tried logging it, so. Wilson locked us out of it.
I heard it locked. You know, old quirky cars.
Yep. So it's not quite finished. There's a couple of things I gotta do to wrap it up. We got these seamless 1 gallon, I think they're 1 gallon tanks, and they all feed into a manifold underneath.
We can show that.
We can show that.
We can show that.
We can show that. So there's a common manifold before the actual airlift manifold.
That'd be this
That's
thing.
that guy right there. So all the tanks feed into that, and then they come out here, go into the other manifold, the smart one, and that's the airlift 3P at the moment. It can always be a 3H. We got the leads for the height sensors. That's not fastened down, but this is heavy enough where
Yeah.
I don't know if this goes somewhere, it's a bad time, so might as well just let it all fly. Just wanted to get it moving under its own power, which is also another story.
Yeah, but this is a good example of a clean setup.
Yep.
This is why Airlift 3P is pretty awesome, because it's like, you know, only a few wires, some air lines.
It's just a regular old air ride setup. Nothing special about it except for the presentation. Oh yeah, we sourced this fabric. That's the same fabric as the interior accents. Obviously, this is newer and less faded than what's in the car currently, but we thought it was a pretty sweet match. Mind the mess. We got stuff. Oh, that's where my screwdriver went. Stock interior, pretty sweet for a stock interior, I'd say.
We do want to do a steering wheel.
Yeah, I want to do a steering wheel too. I want to do a steering rack.
Steering rack.
Steering rack.
Steering rack.
This thing is it's like 2.5 turns to full lock.
We want to do something with the e-brake since we have
no e-brake right now.
no working. What happens if you pull it and just nothing?
No, just the lines moving in and out. We did a Chase Bay's brake line kit or hard line delete kit, all the way from the master cylinder back. I got lazy when I installed the new master cylinder and didn't bench bleed it, and I'm pretty sure there's a nice air bubble in there that's preventing us from fully bleeding the brakes of any air. So, but yeah, it's not really anywhere near complete, because to me complete is driving on the road. And then if Wilson can take the time, the 5 minutes and $6 to get a temp plate, and Will can insure it. I don't know how long that takes, but it took me about two minutes to insure that big Dale Earnhardt thing over there.
Yeah, nice template.
I can't really complete a car, but I sure can make it look kind of cool.
We got some wheels in the works.
Oh yeah, we got some wheels we're gonna build up. I'll tell you this: 1 inch lip on the front, 1.5 on the rear.
Yeah,
We
nothing
don't know
too
what
big
we're gonna
dish.
go with for the look. We're gonna have some different hardware choices. We're gonna ask you guys what we should run.
Yep.
They're 5-spoke wheel. I'll tell you that much.
Ooh, but we are also trying to do something that we don't see many people do.
If you can see the ground through the car, it's not low. Hello. Hi.
We're not doing no body kit low. Although body kit in the future, possibly. She's a work in progress.
A WIP. I think we should keep the insulation on the bottom side of the hood. Pretty sweet.
Yeah.
It's a little,
Trying to keep it period correct.
Period.
The wheels will actually be period correct, which is nice.
Yeah.
Oh, Taylor actually cleaned it.
washed it
Washed
yesterday,
it.
but then we
This
tumbleweeded it.
this is look at this. This is a good 10-foot job.
Yeah, 10 feet, 60 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Looks mad.
Oh yeah. Thumbnail right here.
You want to get a thumbnail?
Nice.
I like. Tastes like Norway 1994. Burnt trash the other day. It kind of tasted the same. I'm pretty sure that's not how you're supposed to do that, but cool. Good thing I tightened everything. Yeah, I think it might be time for me to put that vise back together so we can bench bleed.
Let's do it.
Alright. Next time on Bag Riders, Wilson and Taylor fail miserably on the master cylinder bleeding. That's a lot of tire flex. Tires. Rocking a baby to sleep.
Rapper.
We're rapping.
Yeah, we're wrapping. Done. Cut it.